Okay, so let's get it done. So this is the brushless alternator. Behind this brushless alternator, in front of it rather, there is a cover that you find. So opening this cover will give us access into the inside of the alternator. So I'm opening these nuts so that I can get into the alternator. So this is the inside of the alternator, and what you see here is the AVR, automatic voltage regulator, AVR. So when your generator is not producing or is producing low or high current, this is what you need to check on, the AVR. So on this AVR, there are some adjustments that I'll need to do in order for the generator to produce normal voltage. So first of all, I'll need to test the generator and see the voltage that is being produced on this particular genset. So it's running, as you can see it's running. So I'm going to check. So I'll go on the status. So as you can see, there are some alarms showing that things are not okay with the genset. So here is the alarm which is showing under voltage. So phase A, phase B and phase C of phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 are producing low voltage, and on the status we can see it's 170 phase A and 170.5, 170.1, and we know the normal voltage for a normal generator should be at least 250 or 230. That's the normal voltage. 230, 220, 220 to 250. That's the normal voltage of a generator for domestic use or industrial. So we are going to adjust this first. It's the one that we are going to adjust in order to control the voltages. So I'm going to check and see how the voltage is improving. So I'll go on the status and check generator status. So it's still at 178. So it has improved from 170 to 178, which is a very good scene. It's a very good progress. So I'm still adjusting it to see how it will improve, to see if it will reach a normal voltage level that is needed for the supply to use for the activities, that's the normal activities that the generator needs. So I'm still adjusting it. Still adjusting it. So I'll need to check now the voltage and see if it has stabilized. Okay, that's pretty cool. As we can see, it's now at 235.8 to 236.6. So this is a normal voltage of a generator on the range of 220 to 250. So it's still on that range of 220 to 250, meaning that we have stabilized the generator voltage, which is pretty cool. As we can see, the engine status, phase 1 is 230, 237, phase 2 is 235, phase 3 is 238. So this range is just okay. Thank you for watching. This is Samis Networks. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.